Welcome to YAAD TRODZ, where we trod round YAAD. Live, experience, explore, and discover Jamaica's attractions, lifestyle, and culture with me, Stasia Alicia. So today's trodding has taken me to the Rastafari Herbal Gardens in the hills of Retrieve, Westmoreland. And if it's one thing that Jamaica is known for, it is our food. So today's YAAD TRODZ will be a YAAD Ital edition. So we'll be trodding right into the kitchen, Ital-Style. Our main chef for today is Kadeen, and she'll be assisted by Thomas and Yannick. But before I show you the seasoned quinoa and Ital Okra stew and roast breadfruit that Kadeen is going to prepare for me and all of we, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you're among the first to know whenever we upload a new episode. So let's get to it. YAAD TRODZ. Come make we trod now in the kitchen. Ital-Style. So what exactly is Ital? Well, Ital is a vegetarian, plant-based diet principally intended to improve health and energy. It was originally promoted by the Rastafari Movement of Jamaica, and Rastafarians who practiced that lifestyle believed that being vegetarian is to be closer to the universal energy and life force, and to avoid bringing death to God's creatures. They also reinforced that you should only put things in the body that strengthens it. The most common general Ital principles are that food should be natural, organic, and from the earth, thereby excluding processed foods and meat.
Running chopping wood for the wood fire. Breadfruit. Hey, Rastafari, Rastafari. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yes, this is the life. Country nice. Nice breadfruit pan fire. Wanna know about this? This is how you shred up coconut. Look at that. Wow. No blender. Wow. No hurt up your finger, you know? Yeah. And it's called coconut shredder. So a manual coconut shredder. Yes, natural coconut milk.
And then you can wash that out. There's a little water. I don't use too much. But with quinoa, you're going to add some water anyway. So
I want as much coconut milk as I can get, man. That gives it the flavor.
Coconut milk. Kadeen pouring in our pot. This chicken afraid say we eat it. No, we not eat it. We not eat it chick. Okra stew. Ooh, okra stew, quinoa and beans and beer things. I love it. Ooh, look on the pot, yeah. Yes, chef. Look on the pot, yeah.
Make it cook a little bit quicker.
So this is for the
quinoa pot.
the quinoa pot. So it's what seasoned quinoa where I get?
Just want this little flavor in there. You know?
Okay. Anything you say, no chef?
The holders.
Alright, so you're putting in the pumpkin now.
Alright.
I'm gonna just make all of it and then you're using how you want.
Yes, yes, goody. Your pot good like you goody. Coconut milk. Yes.
Hold on.
Me on, chef.
Looks good. Looking good. I'm just making sure this pepper don't burst.
You better not make it burn.
Quinoa.
So what you call this? Quinoa what?
Like a seasoned quinoa.
A seasoned quinoa. Yes, man.
Ital season.
Ital.
Pumpkin and some ackee with beans.
Alright, me can't wait to see what going on, you know. In a calabash.
Right?
Because you never see me in the kitchen like this. I have my oldest clothes on because I know I'm a mess and the smoke and all of that. So today I said, anyway, my mistake because I should be defending my food and not chatting. But you get the point. So,
Natural herbs.
Alright, these are the
And
natural
season.
herbs and things. Kadeen make up okra stew. Yeah, man. Drop some
Carrots
carrot
and
what-
sweet corn.
and sweet corn in the pot. Yo, this a look good. This a look good.
you know, actually, end of the rain season is a good time to catch them. Yeah.
Nice,
But if you try
nice.
that at the beginning,
This is some
you get them
cauliflower
from
and
Leftover
squash.
cauliflower
Kingston and the hills.
and
Yes.
squash. So we're just gonna add this to the dish.
Alright, cool.
Now we just not no dash way.
It's the best way. Because seeds are not
Oi.
With a little coconut.
Yo, that's the way I go on. Put in some the okra now for finish up the Ital okra stew. Yes, sir.
doing it.
Oi, okra stew,
your
okra stew,
Comments at
okra stew, okra stew. Yes, man.
Perfect. Good balance of everything.
So you're ready for eat.
So we
Yeah,
will
man,
call
be
this
ready
the
for
real meat.
eat, man. Oh, ready for taste this, you know. You know, I'm a big calabash and not a small calabash. I want, you know, I want a big calabash.
Should we just serve it in the bath?
Yo, okra stew ready. Seasoned quinoa ready. And we're gonna do some breadfruit, you know, and a nice salad. It's a big bash today. I have 2 bash I want for myself.
And I know, you know what they're gonna have in rather than she eat heaven?
Missy.
Make us see, no? But rather go bathroom first, go let off something.
People wanna look for Stasia bowl.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Look
man.
for Stasia bowl. Look. Stasia only give direction in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah, man. That's how it goes. So we'll share out the seasoned quinoa, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Kadeen. Yes, anything we can't eat now, eat later.
No.
Alright, that
Alright,
alright, that good, man. I appreciate love this, you know. Alright, well, next the okra stew. Alright. Share the okra stew, you know, Papa says, right. Quinoa, Lord have mercy. Yes, yes. I saw me like it. Hey, and this spicy that sing about. I saw me like it. Oh gosh. Look upon this, people. Yo.
You see?
Yeah, I tell the thing there, you know. Yeah, man. Grateful for the hands that prepared this, you know. Yeah, man. Yes. So this is a seasoned quinoa with okra stew. I already ate off all of my breadfruit, but I'm going to add some salad to this. Yeah, man. Nice.
Here is the recipe for the seasoned quinoa. 2 cups of quinoa, half to 1 teaspoon of salt to taste or optional, 1 cup of pumpkin, 1 cup of ackee. Remove the seeds and pink membrane, wash thoroughly. 1 cup of beans or peas of your choice, 4 to 6 cups of water to cooking the beans or peas, a sprig of scallion and thyme, pepper to taste or optional, 1 cup of coconut milk. Here are the directions. Cook beans or peas until tender in 4 to 6 cups of water. Then add more water if the water is drying out and the beans or peas are not fully cooked. Add salt to taste or optional and coconut milk to cooked beans or peas. You should have at least 1.5 cups of water remaining in the pot from cooking the beans or peas. Bring liquid to boil. Add quinoa, ackee, pumpkin, scallions, pepper and thyme to pot. Stir to combine, then let boil until water starts to dry down. Lower the flame, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here is the recipe for the okra stew. 2 cups of okras, 1 cup of carrots, 1 medium sweet pepper, 2 tomatoes, 1 medium onion, sprig of scallion and thyme, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of salt to taste or optional, pimento, cauliflower optional, 1 cup of coconut milk or cream, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Here are the directions. Sauté seasoning in coconut oil, then add coconut milk, turmeric, salt optional, and carrots. Let simmer for 10 minutes, then add okras and cauliflower last. Stir and let simmer for 10 minutes, then stir occasionally until tender.
Oh, what steam! I am eternally grateful for the hands that prepared this meal with love. Look at it. Ital stew. Well, okra stew, seasoned quinoa, salad. Yeah, man. Gratitude is a must. Yo, the food. Nice, nice.
So done.
The chef will eat her own food, you know. What chef?
Good things.
She all put pear in her own. Avocado.
Good food. Is that it?
Oh, it
Really
is.
good
Oh,
food.
it is. Oh, it is. You like Jamaican food?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Oh.
Never eaten so good like in Jamaica.
Thanks for watching another YAAD TRODZ episode. I hope you liked it as much as I liked the seasoned quinoa and okra stew. Thank you, Thomas, for hosting us at the Rastafari Herbal Gardens. Thank you, Yannick, for assisting Kadeen in the kitchen. And Kadeen, big up yourself. Sure. Now, I want to do a poll. Let me know which of the recipes that Kadeen made you would try. Would you try the seasoned quinoa or would you try the okra stew? Comment below and let me know. Now, thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell. YAAD TRODZ, come make we trod.